Good morning everyone. Good morning na kasi 12:35. Kakanta muna ako nito before I go sleep. Debbie frozen tears, I was hurt through the years. I'll never give up, never one of my dreams. Deep inside is my love still alive, and God only knows that I can't let you go. When I'm in love, it will be for better. I gave you my heart forever and ever. No one can ever hold you more than I do. No one can ever love you, no, it's true. No one can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, boy, it's true. And I'll never love, and if I'll ever lose your heart, lose your heart, oh, Debbie, I'm dying for your love. Debbie, good or Charlie? Sorry, paiba-iba ang version. Nababasa pa ba sa haba ng ano tawag nito? Eyelashes? Doll's eye number 13? Debbie, now I'm alone and I try to be strong. Charlie, little but my Charlie, I cry. Silent tears without pride. And I can't hold on to the feeling that's gone. And there's nothing to lose, 'cause I'm playing the fool. When I'm in love, it will be for better. I gave you my heart forever and ever. No one can ever hold you more than I do. No woman can ever love you, Charlie, it's true. No one can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, boy, it's true. And if I ever lose your love, if I ever lose your heart, oh Charlie, I'm dying for your love. And if I ever lose your smile, and if I ever lose your heart, everybody needs someone to love, and I say, no one can ever hold you more than I do. No one can ever love you, boy, it's true. No one can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. So love, I will sleep now. Bantayan mo kami. Pasensya na at kinakausap ka pa rin kahit you're in heaven na. But I know you're still here beside me. Patuloy pa rin nagmamahal, nag-aalaga. Yung mga byuda dyan nakarelate sa akin, no? Nakangiti at sasabihin nilang, relate much, Ma'am Deb. Ganun ba? Smile pa rin, okay lang naman ako. Yun lang, no? Sabihin, okay lang naman ako. O at least, di ba, love? Yung pangarap mo na magpakilay, ginawa ko na rin ngayon. Sorry, wala ka na. Pero I know, nakikita mo. Na 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 na. Buot-buot sa kanta ba? Uminom ng kape, uminom ng tubig, kumain na ng oatmeal, ano pa ba? Ang mahalaga, importante. Oh, di ba? Okay lang naman sa wala namang filter yan, oh. Effective din naman yung beauty care na anong nilalagay kong beauty care. Ito. Kaya order na kayo. Instead 259, 245 lang kayo ng baby. Order na. Order. Ayun yan, 57. Ganyan kakinis ang mukha, wala namang filter yan. Ito lang po, beauty secret na Ma'am Josa. At saka, of course, I'm taking iba't ibang stem cell. May stem cell na 40-year placenta live stem cell. Naka-try na rin ako ng Diva stem cell. Naka-try na rin ako ng Miracell stem cell. At sa iNetwork na stem cell. But I've taken too much daw. 25 bottles of 40-year placenta stem cell. 25,000. Ganun lang, no? 26,500 lang naman. Sa ngayon, dati 135. So, ito pa nga, gusto nyo ng ebidensya. Sabihin nyo, ayan. Ito pa po. Kung 25, 7, 14, 21, 3 sets more. Mahigit na pala ang natiko since 2018. Kaya, pabata ng pabata, tumanda na lang mga estudyante ko, joke. Magagalit sila sa akin, pero galing yan sa kanila na mukha pa silang matanda sa kanilang mom, daddy. Thank you so much. Love. Bye. God bless you all.